Corner map is a pictorial form of a truth table. It consists of square boxes called cell. Clear? So it's a very difficult for us to manage the values in truth tables. So convert the truth tables in pictorial form, in tabular forms. Clear? This is known as the K-map. It consists of squares, boxes called cell. All the possible combinations of variables involved in Boolean functions are written inside the cells in their respective positions. Suppose a variables K-map contain 2 to the power 2 means 4 cells and 2 to the power 3 means 8 cells. Means when we have two variables, the possible combination is 4, and when we have 3 variables, the possible combinations of the variables are 8. Clear? K-map was introduced by Maurice Corner in 1953 on the name of their person who invented this concept, who gave this concept is the Corner. So on the name of, on his name, we call it Corner map. This provides a simple method for simplifying our Boolean functions. Benefits: require of less number of gates. Through these procedures, you can use less number of gates and need less cost. Clear? Simplifications of two variables. They have the rule. A two variables K-map consists of 4 cells. Each row is labeled with variables and its complement. Suppose variable A, so it must be taken A complement. Clear? Each row is labeled with variables and its complement. Complement is a variable and is called prime. Each cell contains product from terms of variables. For example, AB is placed in cell that is in row A and column B. Suppose. Rule for simplifying two variables Boolean functions. For each term of the function, place 1 in the corresponding cells. Clear? Make group of 2 cells that contain 1, means value which has 1 to make a group. Group may be horizontal or vertical but not diagonal. Okay? Means you can draw the group like you can draw the group like this. Okay? 1 and 1. Suppose this is the pictorial form. We have the two variables. When we have the two variables, the possible combination is 4. So, and each is contain a cell. This is the cell. It has a 4 cells. Clear? So here we will take B complement and B. Here we will take A and A complement. Clear? When we will take the variables, variable B must be taken the complement of the variables B complement and A, and must be take the complement A complement. Clear? Question is how to fill this table. A complement, B complement. So first you will write A, B complement. Clear? Then this A will be right over here, A complement, and this is B, simple B. Clear? And now write A and B complement. Clear? And in this cell, This is the A and this is the B. Clear? If we have the two variables, must be taken the complement of it, A complement, B complement, and simple B and A. Clear? And now then fill the cells. A complement, B complement, right at the first cell. This A will be written over here and this B will be written over here. Clear? ये देखिए. This is the cell pictorial form. We have the two variables. So we have this one is the one single cell. Okay, this is the second cell, this is the third, and this is the last fourth cell. How to write the data? A complement, first we will write B complement over here. Okay, A complement right over here, and simple B right over there. A and B, A, this A over here, and this B is over here. Okay, B will be right on the column forms, and A will be written on the horizontal rows forms. Clear? This is the first step. After that, the second box we will draw it. Second box we will draw. Where is the pencil? Second box we will draw. Okay, and then draw the lines. Look. Okay, and then we will write B complement B, and then again we will write the text A and A complement. Okay, B and B complement. Okay, suppose we have the equation F is equal to AB plus A complement B. And the next is plus A B complement. Clear? So this is the Boolean equations. Now we will convert this Boolean equations over here. Okay, and we will add the value of it. Suppose AB, where is AB? The value present, yeah, the gate present in the equation, we will write 1, and the value is not mentioned in the equation, we will write 0. Clear? I will repeat it. If the value is present in the equation, we will write 1. if the value is not present in the equation, we will write 0. Clear? So suppose A, B. Where is A and B? This one at the cell 1, cell 2, cell 3, cell 4. The cell 4, the value is AB is there. So you can write 1. Clear?
मैम सुने,
जी
जब आपने पहले सर सुनाई थी इसमें ए और बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स लिखे थे वो समझाने के लिए लिखे थे ना, वैसे हमने वैल्यूज लिखनी ना 0.
No. This is the first, this table, this first you will draw this table. Okay, then look the equation, then draw another table. Okay, and add the values of it, and then we will draw the third table. Clear? Then we will make a groups.
Okay, ma'am.
First we draw this table. Clear? Without drawing this table,
Yes,
it's not
ma'am.
possible for you to add the values of it. Clear? So suppose A and B. Where is A and B?
मैम
जी
मैम ये टेबल सेम ही होगा
भी लाउड मुझे
जो
आवाज नहीं
ए बी वाला आपने पहले बनाया है,
जी
जो
जी
ए बी वाला पहले टेबल बनाया है वो सेम ही रहेगा, इसी तरह
हाँ
बनाना है हर क्वेश्चन।
बिल्कुल ऐसे बनाना है हर दफा इफ यू हैव द टू वेरिएबल्स। ठीक है, ए एंड बी ओनली टू वेरिएबल्स या एक्स एंड वाई आ सकता है। ओके, दिस इज द रूल्स। नाम कॉर्नर ने ऐसे ही बनाया था, हमने बस उसको फॉलो करना है। ए एंड बी and the third cell, cell 1, cell 2, cell 3 and cell 4. So A and B is a cell 4, we will write 1. ठीक है, A complement and B, where is A complement and B? This one. ठीक है, cell 2. Okay, we will write 1 over here. Clear? Now the third one is A and B complement. This one A and B complement, we will add 1 over here. Clear? And the value which is absent in the equations, we will put the 0 over there. Clear? It's a very easy and very simple. First you will draw the this table. According to that, you will draw a second table. This is the first step. Okay, आप यूं लिख लो। Step 1. This is step 2. Clear? Step 1 and step 2. Okay, after that, you will make a group. You can make a group by vertically or horizontally. Clear? Not make a group diagonally. Clear? ऐसे हमने नहीं मिलाना. Only make a group like this, vertically or horizontally. Clear? So the step 3, to draw another table. Clear? Okay, now you can make a loop. मैं इसी पे कर दूं, ठहरे इसी पे आता है। 1 1 1. Clear? Now you will make a group. Now this is the one group and this is the second group. Clear? And the common between these two steps, you can extract it. Clear? Now I am going to the slides. Read the rules. अब आपको समझ आएगी, उस टेबल्स को सामने रखने हैं. For each term of the function, place 1 in the corresponding cell. Clear? Make group of 2 cells that contain 1. ठीक है? Make group of 2 cells that contain 1. Clear? Group may be horizontal or vertical, not diagonal. Group may overlap. Look. Group may overlap. This one is overlapping. This one is shared with this cell and this cell. Clear? Okay. The next is eliminate the variables that is normal and complement form in the group. Clear? Like हमने जैसे zero था उसको छोड़ दिया. Look, this is the example. F1 is equal to A complement B plus A, B complement plus simple A, B. First, we will draw the tables and add the values. Look, number of combinations according to equations. First, we will check. We have the 2 variables A and B. So, 4 cells is possible. We will draw the 4 cell. A, B complement right over there, the first cell. The second cell, A complement and B. The third cell, A and B complement. And the fourth one is A complement and B. A you will be right in the rows and the B you will be right on the column sides. Okay, and then according to equations, we will add the values. This one is the 1. First is the AB, A complement and B. This is the A complement and B. Put the 1 over here. And A and B complement, A and B complement, this one, this one, A complement and B, add the 1 as a cell 2, and then A and B complement, add the cell 1 at cell 3, and A, B, this one, add the cell 1 at cell 4, and rest the place the eliminate and 0. So we make the group and overlap is theirs. Clear? Yes, girls.